Hi, it's Linzi from Sweet Natured, and today we are taking a tour of our Seriously Sweet on board Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Of course, as always, I'm joined by Marky.
Hello.
Who edited the video, and this is my first time watching, so let's see what we can see. Okay, so I've sent Marky back outside to start the review because that's apparently what you do. And he's coming in and he's using his little magic band that was issued to everyone.
Not a magic band.
Oh no, copyright.
It's the band. It's definitely not the Disney magic band.
Now, as you can see, it's gorgeous. Now, can we use special effects and pause that right there? When it comes back round to the... oh no, we're back at the electrics. I'll wait, it's fine. So, what did they do? I can't remember now.
So the top button there was a do not disturb. Put a red light on outside where you go on the tap,
okay.
So the stewards know not to disturb
Yeah.
you. And you can press the bottom one, which is a make one, and it puts a blue light on.
Oh, the blue light, yeah, I remember now, that was cute. As you can see, this is the shower. It was gorgeous. A big rainforest shower. There was an attachment for if you just wanted to not get your hair wet or shave your legs or whatever. There was that's back through the window, isn't it?
Yeah, so you can see straight through from the bedroom into the shower. When you've got the shower on, it does steam up a little bit, but it doesn't
obscure. It does not obscure. Again, we've got the dressing gowns, the little flannels there. The black soap, controversial soap.
It is. Some people are freaked out about it being black soap, but it's just soap.
Yeah, and I think it's because it really got in your nails and could make them look a little bit dirty. So this is the loo.
And there's not that much to show. It's a toilet.
Loo. There's quite a bit of space in there, unlike some of the other, the cabins. They were not happy with the size of that. I think. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Airport. In fact, airplane toilet. I think people said.
The bathroom's definitely one of the best bathrooms I recall us having.
It's gorgeous.
All right, technically there's no bath in the bathroom, but the shower.
Yeah.
It's definitely the best shower we've ever had.
Yeah, and also there was plenty of space for both of us to get ready.
The toiletries were great.
Yeah, they were nice. My hair grows out, not down, so I had to take my own shampoo and conditioner. But yeah, you said they were lovely and they smelled gorgeous. So
they did.
Now where are we going now? Oh,
we're
so this
into the main room.
So you can see the water there. Now that is where special effects there, right? That is what we'd have to use as a vanity, where that is there. So your makeup bag, hairdressing things, that's the space that you had, because the other area, as you can see, had the record player on, which was AC/DC.
Which, so we don't get a copyright strike, is not playable on this.
No, it's not
Use
playable.
your own imagination, it was black in black.
Now, we didn't choose that. That album was in there when we got there. Some other people had Rumours by Fleetwood Mac. I would have loved that.
It seems every suite had a selection.
Yeah.
We had a couple, we had that and Paloma Faith or something.
Yes, we did, yeah. Now you can see that was our Bubbles package there, isn't it? With the Moet, and I think there was a Prosecco and then
there were a couple of bottles of champagne and a Prosecco.
And another bottle as well, which was like
And you have a massive cocktail set up in there, every sort of...
I mean, it would have been nice to put your knickers in there, but it's got...
You could have done. And then you've got all the stuff to make a cocktail.
I don't know what message
we never made any.
No, we didn't.
Champagne.
And also, it's,
It's easier to be in the bar. You've got a fridge below. Now, it's worth pointing out that the mini bar in the fridge...
Let me have a drink, because it's...
You do pay for everything in there. They've got pricing on. You can scan the QR code and it's got everything in there.
Oh, the box.
The box of tricks.
The box of tricks. Now, that was $30, wasn't it?
We didn't realise that. All for the sleep ones, because we thought everything within there.
No, I suddenly started looking at the prices, because I was like, what are we going to do with this? There was a corkscrew. What else was there? There was like... A telescope
that you could buy.
And then, was it a compass or a sextant? Or...
There was a sextant that turned into a corkscrew.
Oh, and how much were they? I can't remember. But they were pricey, weren't they? They were all around the $30 mark.
Pretty much everything was 30. This is the control for the curtains. Now it's worth pointing out that everything on the tablet, which I didn't get in this video weirdly for some reason, you have a Samsung tablet which you can control the TV, which you can control the curtains, open and close them.
Oh my goodness me.
Anything that you want to do.
I am not selling that kit. I just like to buy out.
Please buy out.
No, as seen on QVC, no.
The wardrobe space in our room, I've seen others comment in the standard balcony cabins.
Yeah, that there's no drawers.
There's no drawers. We had a load of drawers here. I think there's 4 or 5.
Yeah, they weren't the deepest, but you could get things.
Well, we got everything in.
Yeah, we could. Yeah. Now we had some towels allocated to us again because Virgin Voyages want to take a sort of environmental stance, and therefore you reuse your towel that you take with you.
They'll give you fresh ones.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, but we kept forgetting them, didn't we?
You've got the standard laundry. They call it the wash.
Yeah.
It were 4-night cruise. We managed not to need that in that point, but we did have a lot of washing when we got back home.
Yeah, we did.
Now, it is worth pointing out you only have a single chair in there in terms of somewhere to relax. There's not a separate sofa.
In the room, yeah.
The bed is huge.
The bed's fabulous.
And really comfortable. You've got USB ports at the side, light switches. You can see the tablet on the right hand side there that controls everything on the room.
Again, you just saw the buffet then for the vanity area, but you really have to be careful because there's the water bottle on there, there's the glasses, there's a tray. Oh, and there's it showing you there.
Yeah, this tells you the options of what you selected. Now, if you hadn't picked it yet, you could then select one, which is why they put everything on there. We thought we got everything given at that point, and it wasn't. We've just got the bubbles on us one. But if you hadn't pre-selected it, you can pick which one you want, and they'll take the others away if you want to avoid temptation.
Yeah.
That was a throw on the bed to use.
There was a gold card on there as well to let you into Richard's rooftop.
There was, yeah.
Which is, your band didn't let you in.
Which seems a bit strange that didn't do that.
No.
I would imagine that they will change that in the future.
No, because you had to have it with you.
And there were a couple of times that I went out and didn't remember it.
So they're the
that's me demonstrating the curtains open and close.
Yeah.
And they do cut out the light really well.
Mhm. They do. We had to leave them open a little bit just so that we've got some light in there, so we knew.
Yeah, because it was really now I'm holding that on for effect. You don't need to do. It's just a one button to press it to open it, one button to close it.
Yeah.
The balcony is quite deep.
Yeah.
Compared to some balconies.
The chairs were kind of set up like therapy style, like you look at each other rather than you sit at the side of each other. There I am swinging. The
hammock, we thought were going to be a gimmick.
It was really comfy, actually.
It is, and I've heard loads of people say that. We've watched Emma Cruise's review of it as well, and she loves the hammock. They do sell them on board.
They do, and I think they're quite pricey. But also, we had a lot of hammock envy. If you were in the hammock, I wanted to be in the hammock. If I was in the hammock, you wanted to be in the hammock. And we didn't feel brave enough to both go in the hammock at the same time.
No, we didn't.
Because I feel there could have been some sort of
You get a little bit of an idea there of the scale of it. A little bit of a view of the balconies now that you see sort of in both directions. It was a nice evening, that one. And
sun.
Yeah, we actually had quite a bit of sun.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, and you can see in the actual little table there was a lid, so you could take it out and put your champagne bucket in.
You could. They would bring you a bucket if you wanted a large bucket to put champagne in, or you could just put it in the fridge. But they brought us ice every day as well. The stewards were amazing. Oh,
they were so lovely. Again, you can see you get the water bottles there.
So what did we think about it?
Oh, it was really comfy. It had loads of space. You loved the
tech was amazing.
Yeah, it all died on me, but that happens to me a lot. You've put then, not for the timid or shy, with the bathroom. The loo is separate. I'd like to.
It is, yeah.
You can't. Yeah. You're not looking through. It needs a girl.
There are no teen coffee.
Were I saying that in my sleep or something? Because,
I think you were.
Oh well.
Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And cheers.